Good morning, all of you. So, yesterday we have talked about combination of resistances in series and in parallel. Now, the question arises how our electrical appliances are connected in a house? Are they connected in series or in parallel? Let us see. So, all the circuits in domestic electric wiring are connected in parallel because of the following reasons. So, parallel electric circuit is better for connecting electrical appliances in a household, and let us first see the advantages of the parallel electrical circuits. So, the first is each circuit will have the same potential difference, which is equal to the potential difference, or we can say voltage in the supply line, which comes out to be 220 volt. Now, as a result, each electrical appliance will work under constant voltage. We all know that in parallel circuit, voltage remains the same. Now, due to this, all the appliances will work properly. For example, if all the bulbs are connected in parallel circuits, they will get the same voltage of 220 volts, and hence all of them will glow very brightly. Second is when two or more appliances are used at the same time, each appliance will be able to draw the current as needed. That is, if two or more appliances are being used at the same time, then each one of it will be able to draw the current according to the requirement. The appliance having low resistance will draw higher current, and those having high resistance will draw smaller current. Same amount of current will not flow in any of the appliance. Third is when circuits are connected in parallel, then each circuit operates separately. Yes, in parallel circuits, if one electrical appliance stops working due to some defect, then all other appliances keep working normally. For example, if a number of bulbs are connected in parallel circuits and one bulb gets fused or blows out, then all the remaining bulbs will keep glowing. Hence, they operate separately in parallel connection. So, I hope the advantages of parallel circuits are clear to you. Why electrical appliances are connected in parallel in a house? Now these are the advantages of parallel connection and disadvantages of series connection. Let us compare the both. First is if one electrical appliance stops working due to some defect, then all the other appliances keep working normally. This we have just discussed. In series connection, if one electrical appliance stops working due to some defect, then all other appliances also stop working. Second is in parallel circuits, each electrical appliance has its own switch, due to which it can be turned on or off independently. For example, if all the bulbs are joined in parallel circuit in a house and have separate switches, due to which we can switch on or switch off any bulb as per our requirement without affecting other bulbs in the house. But in case of series connection, all the electrical appliances have only one switch, due to which they cannot be turned on or off separately. Next is each appliance gets the same voltage as that of power source, that is 220 volt. So we know that in parallel connection the voltage remains the same, but in series connection the appliances do not get the same voltage as that of the power supply line. The next is overall resistance of the household circuit is reduced, due to which the current from power supply is high. This means every appliance can therefore draw the required amount of current. If any appliance like electric irons or water heaters need high amount of current, so they can draw the high amount of current needed for their proper functioning if they are connected in the parallel connection. But in series connection, the overall resistance of the circuit increases, due to which the current from the source is very low. So the high power rating appliances cannot get the high amount of current as per their requirement in series connection. So these were the advantages of parallel connection and disadvantages of the series connection. I hope it's been clear to you now why our electrical appliances are always connected in parallel in a house and everywhere. So that's it for today. So tomorrow we are going to start with the last topic of our chapter, that is heating effects of current. Thank you.